Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Pratika and today I'm going to be showing you all how to do reverse stamping nail art. So reverse stamping is basically just like stamping, but then you can add some more colors and make it more lively. It's pretty easy, you just need to know a little bit of tips and tricks, just like how I did for the stamping nail art. And if you haven't watched how to stamp your nails, then you can check it out in this link above. So basically for reverse stamping, you just need the entire stamping kit as well as few regular polishes. So any polish will work, it just needs to be a little bit thicker. I wouldn't prefer a sheer, light or a thin formula. So that's all that you need, and it's super easy to create and it looks so pretty. So for my reverse stamping today, I've gone with the theme unicorns. So I have this amazing unicorn stamping plate by Beauty Big Bang. So for my intro today, I thought I would show you guys a few of the unicorn things that I have. I have almost like 5 to 6 of them. And as you can see, the first one is what I'm wearing right now. So this is a unicorn t-shirt and it says nothing is impossible, and I'm in love with it. If you guys cannot see it completely, then this is how it looks like. It's just a very simple t-shirt. It's quite long at the back. This is one of the unicorn t-shirt that I own, and the next one is obviously the unicorn stamping plate, and it's super cute. It has really cute designs here, and look at this packaging. It is super cute. And we also have the stamping plate inside, which you guys will see me use. So next one is this unicorn potion by Nykaa, and let me just give you all a closer look. So this one is in the shade Frosted Fairy, and they have so many different colors in this, but this color is so unicornish. They have the cap, which is like a unicorn horn, and it's super cute, guys. Like, this is a very sheer polish, but then applying like 2 or 3 coats, you can get the perfect rainbow-like finish. Next, I also have my mobile cover here, and it's just written like unicorn water, and this is so beautiful. Like, I absolutely love this cover. I bought this off from AliExpress. I'm gonna put a link if you guys want to check it out. So it's kind of a thick cover, but then you know what, it's cute. And so this is how it looks like. So I have this since June, I guess, and it's working pretty fine. Like, I absolutely love this. It's so pretty. So next, my roommate gifted this to me, and it's a unicorn sleeping mask. I know, but it looks super cute when you sleep, if you want to look cute. Like, so this is like a holographic unicorn ears and horn, and it's just so fluffy. Like, I absolutely love this. This is a sleeping mask, and look at it. This is from Amazon.in, and it is super cute. So finally, my most favorite is this unicorn bag, and I love this, you guys. Like, this was gifted to me by one of my friends for my birthday this year, and this has a silver mirror-like finish to it behind. So front is basically like one unicorn design, and I absolutely love this design. And next we also have this one. This is so much fun. This is the second design that you can get, and it's like having 2 unicorn bags with just one bag. So I absolutely love this bag. So I guess that's all of the unicorn things I have, and I thought I should show you guys because I absolutely love them. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first up, I'm going to be using a base coat, and this is my Peel Off Glitter Base Coat by Jacqueline USA. So I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this base polish because it's super easy to remove your nail polish later on. You don't even need a remover. So next up, I'm going to be using this unicorn potion by Nykaa, and it's in the shade Frosted Fairy, and I'm absolutely in love with this shade. It's the perfect unicorn shade, and look at that cap. It is just like a unicorn horn. On the first coat, you can see that it's completely sheer. It's a very sheer polish, but you can get that purple as well as green kind of effect. When applying the second coat, you can see it gives almost an opaque finish, and look at this polish, you guys. Like, this is a perfect unicorn polish, and I know why it's called unicorn potion. It comes in various different colors as well, but I feel the hint of purple gives it a perfect unicorn-like feel. I'm going to be using this stamping plate by Beauty Big Bang, and it's the unicorn stamping plate. And look at these beautiful designs. They're super cute, and there's also one caticorn, like cat and unicorn kind of design. So I'm going to be using various different designs, and the first one is going to be the one that is similar to the one which is present on a stamping plate packet, and it's super cute. So I'm going to be using these various polishes, few from Born Pretty, and the Born Pretty polishes are holographic ones. So I'm going to be using this to create my reverse stamping nail art. So reverse stamping is just like stamping, apart from the fact that it's just more colorful, I would say. So basically you just need to stamp a pattern onto your stamper, and if you want to know how to stamp your nails perfectly, you can check out my video that I had created earlier. And don't forget to remove the film from your stamping plate initially. So once you're done picking a pattern onto your stamper, you need to start filling it with any nail polish color that you want. So I'm going to be using white for the unicorn over here, and a little bit of pink and blue and yellow all around the unicorn, like the head, just to give it a very colorful look. And I absolutely love how it's turning out to be. You can actually start painting this rainbow with the different rainbow colors, but I just wanted to stick to pinks and purples and not much of the other colors. Once you're done filling all the colors you want and you're satisfied with how it looks like, you need to leave it on for around 20 seconds for it to actually dry so that it does not smudge later on. And then since it's completely dry, it's not going to transfer onto your nail without a clear polish. Apply a clear top coat or an Insta-Dry top coat or something that will help you stick the pattern onto your polish. So once I've done, the transfer will be super smooth, and you can see how easily it is going to transfer onto your nails. And it's absolutely stunning. I love this. It's been a really long time since I created something really pretty, so this is something I absolutely like. So I'm going to be showing all a few of the other designs, and we'll be right back. This design is so cute, you guys. It's like a cat and a unicorn, and it's called Caticorn. Oh my god, like that's a perfect kind of animal for me, I guess. And next we have this gorgeous unicorn. I wish my nail was wide enough to fit the entire design onto it, but we will have to adjust. So the hatest part of the stamping plate is that the designs are very big for your nail, and you will lose half the design. So this is how it looks like, and it is so cute. And I feel it's a perfect unicorn nail art that I've created. Each of these designs are absolutely stunning and unique. So they have various kind of unicorns on them, and let me know in the comment box below which pattern was your favorite. If you guys like this video, then make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to not miss any videos. And also give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment box below what you think of this video, or if you have any other video suggestions. That's all for today's video. See you on the next one.